why Mangwabe she was no longer interested with Musamseleku. Mangwabe was always asking about her umembeso with Makumalo because he had umembeso of Mayeni and Macele, but not Mangwabe and Makumalo, because Mayeni and Macele are important to him. It shows like that. That's why you saw Mangwabe. Now she is acting like a selfish woman. She was no longer interested with the Musamseleku. Sometimes there is no need to judge Mangwabe. She knows the reason. Mangwabe is not the type of the person who can bring everything on television. Some of the things she can't say it because sometimes it's like you are insulting Musamseleku at other side. What Mangwabe knows that Musamseleku and Mayeni, they had a wedding at the first time, and Macele, Musamseleku and Mayeni, they renew vows twice, and Macele or three times with Macele before Makumalo and Mangwabe. Mangwabe was always asking about her umembeso. Musamseleku was giving excuses to Mangwabe that you don't tolerate me, you are disrespectful, what. That's why I'm delaying to have umembeso. Musamseleku was very disrespectful to Mangwabe. It's not about Mangwabe why she became disrespectful. So sometimes that's why you saw Mangwabe, she doesn't want to have umembeso with Musamseleku anymore. Musamseleku took advantage of Mangwabe, maybe doesn't know Mangwabe's true colors, that Mangwabe can change anytime because Mangwabe and Makumalo are different. So Musamseleku saw like Mangwabe, she was desperate. Musamseleku was not serious with Mangwabe and Mbeso because Musamseleku and Macele planned to stop Makumalo's umembeso. Makumalo was giving Musamseleku pressure, and Makumalo contribute her own money to have umembeso on season 4 or season 5. So Makumalo was already planning everything. Musamseleku and Macele, they had a plan and discuss about it. Musamseleku and Macele, they start to discuss about the issue before they bring it on the table to other wives. So Musamseleku said, me and Makumalo, is our time to have wedding. But Musamseleku knows that Macele is going to plan to stop the wedding. Macele says no, the wedding is not going to be happen because Macele want to have another wedding with the third wedding again with the Musamseleku. Imagine, because we saw Macele's wedding on season 1. It's season 1, season 2. And we saw again foot another wedding on season 6 or season 7. Macele's wedding, the third wedding. It's the third wedding because Musamseleku and Macele, their first wedding is on 2000 before they start that content who didn't see it on television. Imagine. And with other wives, he doesn't have even one wedding. Even with Masaule passed away without having umembeso with the Musamseleku. Imagine, guys, those things. So it's very sensitive to Mangwabe. So Mangwabe was counting all those things Musamseleku was doing to them, Makumalo and Ye and Mangwabe. Musamseleku was very rough when it comes to Makumalo and Mangwabe. That's why you saw those wives, they are always gossiping about Musamseleku every time. They don't care about him because Mangwabe was always asking Musamseleku, giving excuse. But when it comes to Mayeni, Musamseleku renew vows with Mayeni, contribute money, everything. Even at Macele, Musamseleku pays everything. They renew the vows. Mangwabe and Makumalo attend their wedding. Very nice, very nice. When it comes to those two wives, it looks like Musamseleku, he was using them. That's why you saw Mangwabe, she doesn't care. Even Musamseleku says, let's go and sleep together. Mangwabe doesn't want to sleep with you. She doesn't have an appetite. The person who loses appetite with Musamseleku is Mangwabe. Mangwabe, she doesn't care even what, because Musamseleku broke her heart. Sometimes it looks like she is desperate or what. And now Musamseleku looks like you is interested now to say Mangwabe, we can have umembezo because he wants to bring Makwela now. That's why now he is asking all the time why Musamseleku doesn't ask to have umembezo with Mangwabe. And Mangwabe says, nowadays I'm busy. I don't want to have umembezo because I'm busy with work. She was right. because most of the time he was giving excuses.